Mental health support should be accessible, private, and intelligent. Introducing the AI powered mental health companion, a smart application designed to provide real time emotional support and resource tracking. Security is our first priority. Users start by creating a secure account, ensuring that all conversations, mode logs, and journal entries remain completely private and confidential. Upon logging in, you are greeted by a personalized dashboard. This serves as your central hub, visualizing your mood trends over time and providing quick access to daily tracking tools. At the core of the application is the AI chatbot. Built with an advanced NLU engine, it understands context and sentiment. As I search for anxiety, it responds with relevant advice rather than just generic answers. Based on my expressed distress and mention of sleep issues, the system's sentiment analysis triggers intelligent resource recommendations, instantly providing curated articles and guides to help manage the situation. Also, a SOS button is provided to get urgent help. The daily journal allows users to log their thoughts and mood scores. Here we can write our daily thoughts that can be accessed anytime when we need it. This data feedback into the dashboard helping users verify their emotional growth over time. Here, the daily analysis of our mood is done on the basis of how we chat with the chatbot. It also consists of a breathing exercise to get relief from stress. From real time intent recognition to secure data tracking, this project demonstrates the power of AI in personal wellness.